The first myth and excuse I hear very often is that you need a lot of money as an entrepreneur. That's so false. There are always tons of ways to get started for cheap or nothing at all, and then use the return on that small investment to reinvest it and keep doing it till you hit your target. The second one, you will be an overnight success. Please, people, stop thinking that once you'll find your idea and put it out there, you'll go viral and become a millionaire right away. That's not true at all. The road can actually get pretty messy before you see any results. So if you don't give up on this belief, you will have a hard time moving on and succeeding. The third and last common myth. You have to work very hard, get sleepless nights, and do a lot of sacrifices. This one is kind of the exact opposite of the previous one, and again, this is a very common myth about being an entrepreneur. Working hard sounds very discouraging, especially for beginners, so they tend to give up even before starting. Yes, effort is required, but if you learn from others and follow the instructions of the experts, you don't have to work as hard as someone who is stubborn and refuses to learn. So he keeps working hard and trying again and again before he can see any results. It's exactly like someone who runs late for work each time because he does not know how to do his tie, so he wastes a lot of time in front of the mirror trying to get it right. When if he simply Googled it, he would have done it in 30 seconds and never be late again because of that. So my tip for anyone willing to start something new, please save yourself a lot of time, money and energy. Take some time to do research and to learn from experts, either through directly asking them if you know any, or simply by taking courses or getting you some coaches, which can be very time-saving if you can afford that. We will go through how to avoid it altogether in the course. We'll now jump right into learning about the necessary mindset and habits. That's gonna be very practical information which was gathered through studying the lives of dozens of very successful entrepreneurs. So without any further delay, let's see what it is all about in the next video.